In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play unreleased music on your Instagram story. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This little trick works because we're gonna be using two videos. For this trick, all you have to do is record a video in which the background music you want to add to your story is playing. So just open up your camera roll and record anything, just getting the audio you want to use on your Instagram story. After you record a video containing the background music you want to use, record the actual story you want to post. After you have a video that contains the background music you want to use that is unreleased, and a video containing the actual story, all you have to do is click on your story to post a new one. For the first step, just include the video that has the background music. As you can see, this video doesn't have any background music, but it's for demonstration purposes only, and you can pick whichever video has the music you want to use. After you add the video in, click the sticker or smiley face at the top of the screen, and then click this square sign with the plus next to location. When you use that sticker, it will allow you to pick something else from your camera roll, and after you choose something else, you can just resize it to cover the background video that is playing the music you want to use. And now you can post this story that's gonna have the music we want to listen to on the background. I hope I was able to help you on how to play unreleased music on your Instagram story. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.